In this video, we will show you the Notion progress bar tutorial. If you guys want to get started with Notion, you can use the links down in the description. Ensure you are logged into your Notion account. Navigate to your task template where you want to add the progress bar. Click on the plus icon to add a new property. Search for number and select hashtag number from the options. Click on edit property next to the newly added number property. Rename it to something meaningful like progress bar. Select bar as the type of display for your progress. Choose a color for your progress bar to visually represent your task's status. Decide on the number by which you want to divide your progress. Toggle the option to show or hide the actual numeric value of the progress bar. Once configured, you will see the progress bar displayed in your task template. For instance, if you enter 68787 in the progress bar field and have set the division number to 100, you will see the progress bar filed accordingly. Below the progress bar, you can enter numbers like 100 or 6 to update and reflect the progress. So that is Notion progress bar tutorial. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Notion. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.